Hello, today for a review I have the most affordable digital camera from Canon, IXUS 160. This camera has some pretty basic specifications: 20 megapixels, 8x optical zoom, 2.7-inch LCD and smaller HD video recording. This camera is available in 4 colors: black, silver, white and red, just like this one I had on review. Build quality is quite solid. The camera is made from cheaper plastic, but it is solidly put together. This camera is, as you can see, pretty small. When turned off, it is only 22mm in depth, so you can put it pretty much in any pocket and carry it always with you. On the back of the camera you can see 2.7-inch LCD. It has 230,000 dots resolution and viewing angles are not that perfect. From left to right they look good, but from top and above the LCD really loses its quality. Buttons on the back are relatively big and it is very easy to use it. Just power it on and press shutter button. If you have a need for that, there are also scene modes, and there is program mode in which you can adjust several of the most important manual settings, like white balance, light metering, ISO value and similar. The lens on this camera has 8x optical zoom, from 28 to 224mm in 35mm equivalent. The lens by itself has relatively decent optical quality, but it has slow aperture from 3.2 to 6.9, which is not good for low light use, and also it doesn't have optical image stabilization, which proved to be quite a big problem, especially on big zoom, in low light and of course recording videos. Video recording is available in smaller HD quality, 1280 x 720 pixels. Video quality is nothing spectacular. You can see video compression artifacts, and also, as I said, the lens doesn't have optical image stabilization, so all the videos are quite shaky. Image quality from this camera is quite decent. In good light, in outside conditions, you can get very nice images with nice saturated colors. But the problem is when you zoom into recorded images, you can see this camera still has problems with noise reduction. Also, if you intend shooting in low light conditions, this is not a camera for such use. You can get usable shots using the built-in flash, but without the flash the shots will be very noisy and very blurry because of the lack of optical stabilization. This camera uses standard SD memory cards to record photos and videos and has a lithium-ion battery which is recharged in using external charger, which is part of the retail package. Battery life is quite good. I took around 200 images and short videos for this review, and the camera still signals the battery is completely full. For conclusion, I can tell you IXUS 160 is a quite decent camera. Of course, if you have in mind, this is only for amateur use. If you use your camera only several times per year on vacation, recording birthdays and Sunday or anything similar, this could be quite a good choice. The camera is very easy to use, it has good image quality in daylight, and it is very small, so you will be able to carry it everywhere with you. That's pretty much everything for this review. Thanks for watching, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel.